again.
Otra vez.
Again. So her head goes forward,
Ajá.
down. So her body's recruiting her neck muscles because her shoulder and her neck is all messed up. Down.
Dice que su cuello y sus hombros están bien mal por cuando...
Oh my God.
Okay. She's still alive? Tell her to raise her arms.
Levántelo otra vez los brazos como la...
See, her head doesn't come
Usted
forward
dice
now.
que ahora no,
You see
la
that?
cabeza...
Is it on?
Ujú.
So when I release tension, it releases heat. You feel my hand? You see the difference? You
Yeah.
feel? That's caliente, my hand. Yeah.
Cuando
Wow,
él le
frío.
saca la tensión.
Cold now.
Well, I don't know. You feel? That feels warm.
Yeah.
She's giving off heat.
Yeah.
Muscle. It's getting better blood flow. So listen. This is good. There you go. And this one's gonna be
Respira
beautiful.
para afuera.
Good. Okay. She cried like a bambino. She gets pain down her right arm or no?
¿Le duele siempre el brazo derecho?
Sí.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, a lot of tension there. She's getting off a lot of heat. Okay, you can sit down. We don't need you no more.
Okay. You need a gun? I go in.
We're gonna kill her? No.
Yeah, you need a
Ay,
gun.
¿cómo? Ay, Dios mío. Isn't she glad she came? She will be. She iced it tonight if she's
Que
sore.
le ponga
I'm
hielo.
breaking up all this scar tissue. We have to charge her extra. No. Aren't you glad you're here? Mi name Papi Chulo. Doctor Papi Chulo. Wow. She got like serious tension. What does she do at work all day?
Beauty, ¿qué es lo que hace exactamente en el salón?
She's doing hair?
Hace esto que...
Blower.
Blower.
Oh, with the right arm?
Con el brazo
Yeah.
derecho,
With
¿verdad?
the right?
Yes.
Is it your own place?
¿Usted es
No.
el dueño del sitio?
No.
I was gonna say,
Walking, she's walking.
we should fire her.
Yeah.
That's tight. It's gonna feel better. She's
Yeah.
gonna like you again.
Se va a sentir
Oh my
mejor.
God. Her back is not bad, right? No pain, right?
No tiene dolor en la espalda baja, ¿verdad?
A veces.
Sometimes.
Yeah, it's not much though. Let me see how the sacrum feels. She don't have any spasming in here. Her legs don't look crooked. I'm gonna actually work on her right knee. This one's pretty cool if it goes. Yeah, that about. Okay, good.
Tenía la pierna chueca.
She'll thank you later.
Que después le va a agradecer, dice.
Okay. Oh.
Ah, bambino.
Estaba bien mal. Ella estaba mal. ¿Cuánto tiempo tiene ese dolor?
Un año. Oh.
Ay,
Just like,
ya que tiene como que mucho movimiento con eso. Es como nosotros cuando trabajamos poniendo algunas cosas solo hacia arriba, entonces tenemos solo movimiento a este brazo. Como sería, también tengo un problema así que me duele el brazo.
¿Por qué no se pone a controlar
Pero, como ahorita yo
Uy.
estoy haciendo terapia también,
esto? Ok,
estoy haciendo terapia, entonces ya
le
me siento
mejoró.
relajado, me siento
Qué bueno.
¿no? Y ahorita voy a volver a hacer terapia otra vez de nuevo, porque voy a tener una cirugía, entonces el médico no va a estar en terapia.
No tiene que cuidar su cuerpo y su salud porque después se
Sí.
cae como el edificio de Miami.
Solo un lado.
Did you say Miami?
Miami.
Dr. 305. Soon.
Aquí este lugar no lo conoce.
Boca arriba, boca arriba.
¿Este sitio?
No.
No, es nuevo.
Aquí no. Lo dicen, no, dice Chinese no here. ¿De dónde hay ellos?
No lo
No,
conocí.
dice aquí solo es un bar, es abogado de
She
migración.
thought I was a nice guy.
Oh, we have to put a sign by the elevator because they told him that there was nobody here for physical therapy. He went to,
Well, we're chiropractors.
they told him nobody, like there's nobody, no doctors, only lawyers, right? They told you
Yeah.
only lawyers
Hold on,
here.
hold on a momento. There's a crack coming. Hold on. I'll just talk it. Oh boy. Here we go. I feel the tension. You still alive? It's amazing how this releases the tension all the way down. You still whining like a bambino? Okay, sit up. No. That's unbelievable how tight that is. Okay, close your arms. Okay. There you go. Tell her to raise her arms.
Ok, ahora otra vez levanta los brazos como la otra
Okay,
vez.
should not come forward now.
Okay.
A little bit down.
Sí, otra vez
Better.
para abajo.
Again.
Otra
raise.
vez, levanta los hombros.
Yeah, that
Yes,
was better.
much better.
Yeah. So think about if you're an athlete now. You know
That's it?
how much different. I'm not sure yet. Tell her to raise her arms.
Levanta los brazos mientras que le hace eso. Leave them up.
Yeah, I like it. Go ahead. It's like we're doing like a neurological retraining. Good. Again. Yeah. Okay. Put her hand over her head. Her lat's probably very tight. Let me see this one. Do that one too. Does she feel like a weight's been lifted off of her?
Que si se siente que un peso se levantó de usted.
Yeah.
How about she, could she breathe better too?
Que si puedes respirar mejor. Haz así.
Sí.
Yeah, all her ribs are moving better now.
Porque
She can
estabas
breathe.
bien dura por ahí.
Oh.
I know, I felt. Don't worry, I felt. I know, I felt. This is gonna pop too, I think. Now that I got everything loose. Yeah, you heard it.
Oh, wow.
Okay. There you go. She's brand new.
Está como nueva.
Oh.
No more junkyard body. Sanford and Son body.
Oh.
I don't know how people walk around like this. I always feel loose. I'm getting adjusted over 27 years. Oh, good. We check her jaw. Lean your back.
Año
Boca arriba, boca
boca
arriba.
arriba.
Oh, hold on. Let's check that before. It was so tight. Look at that. It's like double.
Oh.
She was like grandmama before. Good. Lay on your back. Yep, boca arriba. Check her jaw. So open. Open your mouth. Tell her to open her mouth. Open her mouth.
Que abra la boca.
Close. So does her jaw bother her sometimes?
Dice que si a veces la mandíbula le molesta.
Ajá.
Yes.
A veces sí.
Yeah, it-
Yes,
Duele.
it bothers her.
Acá.
Yeah, it's deviated.
Acá.
It's
Yeah.
deviated. That can cause headaches too. Does she get headaches?
¿Te da dolores de cabeza?
A veces sí.
Yes.
Tell her to open her mouth.
Respira para afuera. Abre la boca.
Open her mouth.
Respira para afuera.
All the way. All the way.
Ábrela más.
Keep her mouth open.
Deja la
All the way.
boca
All the way.
abierta.
She don't have to breathe. Just keep her mouth open.
Ok, deja la boca abierta.
Just open the mouth. There you go. There you go. Okay, good. Open.